Creating Invoices in Brisk Accounts. Click the green Create New Invoice button on the dashboard. Fill out all of the invoice information. Select a deposit account and click Create Invoice. Continue watching for more detail on how to create invoices in Brisk Accounts. To create an invoice in Brisk Accounts, start by clicking the green Create New Invoice button on the dashboard. You can also go to the Sales section in the left side menu and select New Invoice. If your business details are already set up, they'll populate automatically. Otherwise, you can type them in or edit them using the pencil icon. Next, enter the customer's name. If it's a returning customer, you can select them from the drop-down list. If it's a new customer, simply type their name, and the system will save the entry automatically as a new customer record. This means you can easily access and edit their details later for future quotes, orders, or invoices. Brisk Accounts also saves their billing and shipping information and the salesperson assigned, if there is one. Select a deposit account where payments to the invoice will be applied. The invoice number is automatically generated by default. You can customize it if needed. However, we recommend using the automatically populated number to prevent duplicate invoices or other errors. Set the payment terms, either cash on delivery, COD, or pay in days, and input the number of days until payment is due. If you have a purchase order number for the invoice, enter it. Purchase order and salesperson are optional invoice fields. Now it's time to fill in the itemized list. You can modify the column headers by clicking on them and choosing from the available options. If none of the defaults fit, select Change Column Header Text. Type in your custom column name and click Create Column Header. For example, if you select Quantity, you'll be able to enter the number of items sold. If you choose Hours, it'll allow you to enter hours worked for services. Enter each invoice item in the table. Enter the quantity, item code, description, price, and select the tax rate. Totals for each row are calculated automatically. The item code column is hidden by default. To display it on your invoices, go to Settings and in Invoice Settings, select the checkbox next to Show Item Code column. To add more items, click Add Item. If you need to remove one, click the X icon on the right side of that item's row. If you want to apply a discount, click Add Discount. Select from a flat discount or a percentage discount to the entire invoice, or line-by-line discounts on specific items. You can also click Add Shipping to include shipping charges. If these costs are taxable, select the appropriate tax rate from the drop-down provided. At the bottom right of the invoice, you'll see a full breakdown. The subtotal shows the amount before tax and discounts. Taxes and discounts will be listed next, followed by the total, which is automatically calculated. On the bottom left side of the invoice, there are 3 optional notes fields. Under the Note tab, you can add a public note that will be included in printed and PDF versions of the invoice. The Private Note tab allows you to record internal notes, which won't appear on printed or PDF versions. In the Foot Comment tab, you can set a footer message that will appear on all invoices going forward. This is a global setting and not invoice-specific. Before finalizing, click Preview Invoice to view it. Once you're ready, click Create Invoice to save it. The invoice will be added to your invoice list. Click the Actions drop-down to print, email, or apply a payment to the invoice. If you need to make changes to an existing invoice, click the invoice number to open it for editing. You can also select Edit from the Actions drop-down. After making your updates, click Save Invoice. For other actions like deleting an invoice, open the Actions drop-down and select Delete. Each invoice shows its status, which is color-coded for easy tracking. If an invoice is unpaid, you'll see a clickable status label. Clicking on it will allow you to apply a payment to the invoice. For more Brisk Accounts tutorials, go to the Help link in your account.